Kalai Vanakkam. It's a wonderful moment, actually. And this is the fourth function I'm participating in the Independence Day. It's 79th Independence Day. We are celebrating a wonderful occasion in the Vidyasara School. I want to special thanks to the Vidyasara School for teachers and Madam Asha Madam and Poonam Madam and new Anuradha Madam and respected parents as well as the teachers and students, and happy Independence Day.